Guess you thought you knew everything about your RTX 40 graphics card, but Nvidia just dropped a surprise that could give your GPU a massive FPS boost without spending a single dollar. And if you haven't heard about it yet, it's a game changer, literally. Welcome back to Atarian News channel. Today we are going to dive deep into Nvidia's Smooth Motion upgrade for RTX 40 series. What it does, how it works, and its pros and cons. No new hardware, no extra cost, just a powerful software unlock that boosts FPS in games that don't even support DLSS. So, how does it work? And should you bother with it? Well, let's break it down. On this July 11th, Nvidia quietly released a developer preview driver version 590.26, and packed into this update is a feature called Smooth Motion Frame Generation, something that used to be exclusive to their brand new RTX 50 series, but is now enabled for all RTX 40 GPUs. And here's the kicker, this feature can double your frame rate in certain games, no DLSS required. It works by generating entirely new frames between real ones, kind of like what DLSS 3 does, but without needing the game to support it. Let's say you're playing something like World of Warcraft at 82 FPS. With smooth motion on, you could see that jumps to over 160 FPS just from driver side interpolation. No mods, no hacks, no engine level support needed. Just raw frame generation built into your GPU drivers. That means older games, indie titles, or anything lacking DLSS support now got a massive boost in smoothness and responsiveness. It's especially helpful for gamers with high refresh rate monitors who want fluid motion in every title they play. So, how does it work under the hood? Smooth motion uses motion vector data and the last frame's pixel information to estimate what the next frame would look like and generates it on the fly. This kind of temporal interpolation is similar to what AMD's Fluid Motion Frames does, but NVIDIA's version is now accessible to more users than ever. Now, it's important to note this isn't a plug and play feature, at least not yet. The 590.26 driver is a developer preview, which means you're going to have to manually download and install it. And on top of that, enabling smooth motion requires using a utility called NVIDIA Profile Inspector and tweaking some settings under the hood. But don't worry, I put together a complete download and setup guide with step by step instructions for all platforms. Just check the description box below for everything you need to get started, including system requirements and troubleshooting tips if something doesn't go as planned. Where this feature really shines is in games that lack modern frame tech, emulators, MMOs, old favorites. You can breathe new life into your backlog with a smoother, more responsive feel, and you don't need a brand new GPU to do it. That's a rare move from Nvidia, giving last gen users access to a next gen feature. Smooth motion isn't perfect, but it's real, it works, and it's free. In testing, smooth motion can increase performance by 30 to 45%, depending on the title. Some users have reported even higher gains in CPU bound scenarios where traditional DLSS wouldn't help. The latency impact is minor, usually under 5 milliseconds added, and most people won't feel it. Of course, you can run into visual artifacts, especially in fast paced shooters or scenes with erratic motion. This is interpolation, not magic, but it's still in beta, so your mileage may vary depending on the game and settings. Does this put RTX 40 on par with RTX 50? Not quite. RTX 50 cards still have DLSS 4, multi-frame generation, Blackwell AI cores, GDDR7 memory, and DisplayPort 2.1 support. What Nvidia exactly did here is that it extended the value of RTX 40 by a mile. If you already have an RTX 4070, 4080, or 4090, this feature gives you more reasons to hold on to your card longer. So, should you install it? If you're into tweaking, experimenting, or squeezing every drop of performance from your rig, absolutely you should install it. It's safe, reversible, and the potential gains are real. Just make sure you follow the guide carefully and maybe don't use it in your ranked Warzone matches. I mean, not just yet. Smooth motion isn't the kind of flashy headline Nvidia typically pushes, but it's arguably the most exciting RTX 40 update in months. It's a quiet, powerful upgrade for the GPUs many of us already own. So check the links in the description to download the driver, follow the install guide, and let me know in the comments what kind of performance you're seeing in your favorite games. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more deep dives on cutting edge GPU tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.